Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5016138. So if you're unable to install this update on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to Run Update Troubleshooter.
Go to the Start menu, then click on Settings, go to System, now click on Troubleshoot, now click on Other Troubleshooters. Now here you can see Windows Update, click on Run, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now the next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in Services in Windows search box and then click on Services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, then click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now with Windows Update selected over here, click on Restart the service. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service, set it to automatic, click on Apply, click on Start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, click on Restart the service. Now once done, update your Windows 11 once again.
Now the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5016138. Click on search. And then over here you can see the update. Click on download. Now click on this hyperlink. And this will start downloading this update. Now when you click on this hyperlink, if nothing happens, you can make a right click, then click on save link as, and then you can set the location as desktop, and then you can click on save, and then click on this up arrow, and then you will see the keep option. Click on keep and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, run this file, install the update, restart your computer, and your Windows should be up to date. Now the next step is to
use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. This link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on Download now. Run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now here you will see the option to accept and install. So click on Accept and Install. Now if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, in that case, open File Explorer, go to Downloads, and then here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Make a right click, then select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and then put a check on the box which says Run this program in compatibility mode for. So put a check over here, then select Windows 7 from the list, and then click on Apply, click on OK, make a double click, and then click on Accept and Install, and your Windows should be up to date. Still you are unable to install, then reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy the command till here. Now open Notepad on your computer. Paste all the command in Notepad, and then go to File, then click on Save As. Set the location as desktop. Name this file as wuauserv.bat, and then for save as type, select all files. Now click on Save. Now go to desktop. Here you can see wuufix.bat file. Make a right click on wuufix file, then click on Run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening wuufix file as an administrator. Now, first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will run some scans. Now, there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. Once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services, then restart your computer, and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now, the next step is to use Media Creation tool. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Go to this website. Here also you will find Media Creation tool. Click on Download now, and then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.